Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing our famous versus battle. We're going to be looking at the Ipsy Glam Bag for October 2024, and we're going to be comparing it against the Macy's Beauty Box for October as well. So we're going to check it out and we're going to see what happens today. Per usual, if you guys are interested in either of these subscriptions, I will have links listed down below for you. I am going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag because, you know what? Screw it. We're going to start with Macy's this month. I always start with Ipsy every single month, but let's just switch it up. I mean, why not? It's October. Let's just do it. So the Macy's Beauty Box is $15 a month. You do need to pay sales tax on that, but there is free shipping. For myself, I pay exactly $16.05. One thing that I have to give Macy's a shout out on is the fact that they have never increased their prices. This is the exact same price that I paid when I first started this YouTube channel, which was in 2018, you guys. My sister and I sat down, started unboxing, and that was 2018, and it still costs the exact same price. We will receive beauty samples inside of it. You are not able to customize your box. You are just sent a variety of products, and everyone does receive the exact same products every single month. Inside of your box, you will have a bookmark in here that will tell you your theme, but you're also going to have a discount code here if you would like to use it at the Macy's store. You guys can feel free to use my code if you would like to use it. I'm not going to need anything right now. I'm kind of, with all the advent calendars, I'm pretty well stocked on beauty at the moment. But you cannot use this card on the subscription. You can only use it towards beauty purchases in the Macy's store. You will receive this though every single month. So the first item that I have in here is the free bonus product from Macy's. Every month they will send you a free bonus item, but it will change up every month. It's not going to be the same product all the time. And I'm assuming this is the free bonus product only because there's no name on here. They don't really label, hey, this is your free gift, so I just always kind of guess. But this, oh, is it a lip balm? Right? Or no, what is this? It's not a balm. But it's a product. Yeah, it's got a powder. What is this? It has a lock and an unlock. Oh, and then I can take it out? I feel like this is one of those Russian dolls where like you take it apart and there's just something else inside of it every time. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. And this is a roller ball. And when you run your finger over it, it's smooth, but like it does have a little bit of a powder. Oh, wait, is this like a translucent powder to absorb oils? That will be nifty. I will definitely use this if that's what this is. But maybe that's not what this is, and you guys need to help me. Am I really being stupid right now? Like, I don't know. Now I'm starting to get self-conscious. I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this? So I think maybe it's going to absorb oils. That's what I'm assuming. But then you can twist it and actually take this out. So I guess you could always replace the ball if you wanted to. And then this is just the travel case here. I don't have any other guesses as to what this could be, so I'm really hoping that's what it is. But yeah, when I rub this over, oh, but it does have a tint to it too, you guys. Like it's got, do you see that color there? Weird. I would think it would be translucent, but this is actually the color of the stick, but it's super soft. Maybe this is a foundation. Like, I mean, I know it's really thin and lightweight, but maybe? I am so confused, you guys. I need help. So next item inside of the Macy's box is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Definer Pencil. So it is in the shade Soft Brown. This is just going to be their travel size. It's cruelty free. This is going to have a spoolie on one end, but you're also going to have this angled pencil on the other. So you're able to actually carve out your brows. So obviously great brand. I love to see luxury brands like this in the Macy's Beauty Box. It's one of the reasons why I like their box is because they will send you some more expensive brand names and then you can try out these products and see if they work for you or not. So like I said, on the one end, you will have a spoolie here. And then on the other end, you're gonna have that angled pencil brush. And this is where you're able to glide and actually shape and carve them out. So if you want really precise lines, that angled cut is gonna be the best thing for you. The next item that we have is from Nude Sticks. And keep in mind, we are doing a get ready with me. So we've got right now our brows done. Now we're gonna throw in a pop of color. This will be an all over face blush color. You could totally double this though for your lips as well if you wanted to add a little color there. But maybe, just maybe, there's gonna be a lip product in here as well. But this is Nude Sticks. It is in the shade Sherry. And this is what it will look like. Gorgeous color. Love that. But see what I mean? You could add a little bit of it for blush, blend it out. You could also take a little bit and add it to your lips and kind of soften that as well. It could be a multi-use stick if you were in a pinch and needed it. Next item that we're going to need in our get ready with me process is a primer. So this is from Peter Thomas Roth and it is their firming primer. 5 ml of product is what we have here. I feel like I'm seeing this brand a lot right now in boxes. So I don't know if they're just advertising more right now or what, but this is going to be a blurring primer, but it's also going to tighten your skin as well. I will tell you guys, I've not used this product, but right now I am using a primer from One Size, and it is a mattifying primer that also tightens your skin. I feel it tightening immediately. And I always apply my primers just with my fingers. Even my fingers feel like they're tightening. It is so quick. So if this is like that, I'm gonna love it because I really do like that sensation. We also have a cleanser in our box today. So this is from Clarins. So this is our facial cleanser. It's 5 ml of product. This is safe for sensitive skin because it is a gentle cleanser. And it says that there are small exfoliating grains in this product as well. So you want to avoid the eye area, but it's also going to exfoliate just a little bit along with the cleanser. So this is what it will look like here. And like I said, we've got 5 ml of product. I kind of like the idea of an exfoliant built into a cleanser. But also you would have to be really careful not to get those little grains in your eyes because that would be awful. Believe me, I actually do have experience with this. I am so chatty today, you guys. I don't know why. But when I was a kid, I mean little, I want to say I was like 4 or 5 years old. I was playing at the playground and managed to get sand in my eye. And I didn't get it rinsed out in time. So my eye actually like put, I don't know if it's skin or something, but it started to form a mound over that sand and my eye was so irritated. I had to go to the doctor. It's so traumatizing that I remember all of it. And I'm telling you, when you're a little kid and a doctor's in your eyeball trying to cut it open to get it out, it was awful, you guys. So when I see something like that, I'm like, oh, that's flashbacks for me. Last item inside of this box then today is from Beauty Stat, and this is their Universal C Skin Refiner. It is 5 ml of product. So this product is going to help to brighten your skin and give you an overall glowing appearance. So that is everything inside of the Macy's Beauty Box for October. My final thoughts on this, I like the brands a lot. I like the theme. We've got our cleanser in here. We add on our brightener. Then we're going to follow up with our brows. We've also got our blush as well. And then, oh, we also had the primer. So the primer was going to keep oils away. I think it's all there. I do wish they would have sent us more than 5 products, honestly. And typically I can count on Macy's to do that. It used to be that we'd always have, I mean, guaranteed every month we would have 7 to 8 products. So I do think this is really good. I just wish they would have given us maybe 1 or 2 more items. Ooh, now this is creepy. So this is from Ipsy, and this is the featured glam bag for October 2024. So this glam bag, does it glow in the dark? Wait a second. I'm looking at the front and the print is on the back as well, you guys. Like it's the same on both sides. But seriously, doesn't it look like it could glow in the dark? Like maybe? Well, I don't think it is, you guys. I don't think so. I don't think it is. But that would have been actually really cool. So this is the featured bag and it is your free bonus item that you will have in the month of October. So I do think this is fun. They're definitely giving us those creepy kind of vibes. This will be our charm that we have here. The theme is beauty nightmares, overplucked brows, hello 2000s, scary haircuts, chemical peel horror shows. We've all been there. Our beauty traumas all unite us. Now this bag does retail for $16 a month. There is a $2 handling fee on this as well. And then of course you do have to pay sales tax. But you are supposed to have 5 sample sized items inside of your bag. You are able to customize one of those 5 items with a pick of your choice. And I always forget what I customize with. I may know it when I see it, but I never remember. So the first item that I have here today is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So it is a primer and moisturizer all in one, and it is 15 ml of product. I mean, if we're gonna be doing a head-to-head battle here, you guys, this product that we had here for a primer from Macy's, do you see how much more you get? So 5 ml or 15 ml. And I do feel like Bobbi Brown, Peter Thomas Roth, similar brand names. So I feel like Ipsy's already got a point just with this one product. That's exciting. I love a good fight, you guys. Like, I love when they really battle it out. The next item that we have in here is an eye cream. This is from Pure Heals, and it is 8 ml of product. So this is all vegan and organic. It's going to feature plant-based ingredients inside of this one. So this eye cream is supposed to brighten, hydrate, and fight off wrinkles. If you were to purchase it, it's $23 for the full-size version. It says that thanks to the brand's 80% Cica complex, it will give you brighter and tighter under eyes instantly. My next item that I have in here, I think is my choice product. I think I found it, you guys. So this is from Fenty Beauty, and it is a lipstick mini. I just know myself that if I see Fenty, that's usually what I'm gonna choose. So this is in the shade the MVP, and like I said, it's going to be a mini lipstick. So this is what it will look like here. It is so cute. I love when they miniaturize things. Have you guys seen those mini-verse balls? Oh my gosh, they're like my favorite thing. Like, that's all I want for gifts right now. They're $10. You can get them at Target. I think they're even at Walmart now. And then you can like craft and make all these little things. And I love how miniaturized all of it is. I mean, call me crazy. It takes me back to the Polly Pocket days. And I'm like, I just love it. So seeing a mini lipstick that looks identical to the large one, it just makes me happy. I told you I was chatty today. So the next item that I have in here is the Mini Oat Bay. Ooh, this is big. This is from Toy Factory. It says that this is a milky, oily makeup remover with oat milk inside of it. So it will calm your skin afterwards and nurture it as well. There's also hyaluronic acid in this to help to restore moisture back to your skin. This is good size, 20 ml. That's awesome. So this one is supposed to be a cleanser. Again, if you want to do a head-to-head battle with the cleanser that we saw earlier, wasn't it Clarence? Yeah, this was 5 ml product, and this one is 20 ml. So, I mean, you know, Ipsy came to play. Last up inside of this bag is from Context, and we have a matte bronzer. So the shade is Undisputed. Is that like a subliminal message? Like undisputed champion? Like, are they sending me vibes? I don't know. I think that would be pretty funny if Ipsy's been watching and they're like sending little things over here. I think that'd be very clever. So inside you'll have your powder bronzer. I think it's good size actually, you guys. I mean, it could have been a lot smaller than this. So I do appreciate that you do have a good size pan here to work with. So that is everything inside of the Ipsy Glam Bag for October 2024, you guys. So now it comes down to who had the better bag or box this month. Honestly, I think I'm going to go with Ipsy, you guys. I think Ipsy won. I think Ipsy had the better bag this month. So again, when I'm comparing these head to head, they had the exact same amount of items inside of them. So that already was an equal point. As far as the free item goes, we had the bag versus this, which I think is supposed to be like an oil absorber. I'm gonna go with this product only because if it is an oil absorber, I will use the heck out of it. I will use it more than I will use the bag right now. So I think that's what this is, but I could be wrong on it. But those were our 2 free items. But then again, when you compare each item individually, there is more usable product inside of the Ipsy Glam Bag this month than there is in the Macy's box. Now, I think both of them have their high points. I think they both have bougie brands in here. I like the items that I have here too. I will use them. So it's not like they're either bad, but I just think Ipsy is better this month. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know who won the battle of the boxes this month. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!